Today's tool review is on this Harbor Freight brake line forming tool. It's a type of pliers. I'm going to show you how effective or ineffective it is on bending brake lines. For years, I've been using this bending tool, and it served me well. I replaced brake lines, gas lines, transmission lines with this. But there are times you get into a tight spot and you just can't get that radius. I've used sockets to bend brake lines and various other methods. I'm going to open this up and bend a few brake lines to see how it does. If you can read on the package here, this is for 3/16 and 1/4 inch brake tubing, or tubing. It's made out of drop forged carbon steel, has these comfort grips. The best way to bend brake lines is when you can take it in your shop and do it, but there's times you will be under the vehicle. Now, I have some old brake line here from some past repairs. These were taken out. I have a couple pieces of this old brake line that I just did a repair on my Chevy Blazer. If you're interested in that, you can get to the link in the video up above. So this brake line is rusted. Okay, it's not, this part isn't rusted all the way through, but it's the reason I'm using this, because this is harder to bend than some new line. Okay, it goes in there. There looks like there's a little gap. Let's see how this is to bend. You can see there's a little gap. I don't know if that's going to hurt anything or not. This I overbend and I put a little kink in here. Let's try it again. See, the rust is going all over my table from this brake line. By the way, this is a brake line that popped. Parked the vehicle one day, the next day, there wasn't any brakes. Fortunate enough, it popped and started leaking when it was in the driveway. Okay, this is that bend. Let me get another piece. This one's not as rusted. See how we do with this. Okay, just have it in there. Just clamping it with my hand, no other tools. And I'm looking for something that I can bend brake line when I'm under the vehicle, when I have to get those tight bends. Zoom in here a little bit. This is the best I could get. Sorry guys, this is some light on here. This is the best I can get it. They made that bend, and it did a fairly decent job. Keep in mind now, this is old brake line that had to be replaced. This particular one didn't pop, but we took it off anyway. Doing one, may as well do the other one. Here's a straight piece of it. And that straight piece, let's see what kind of bend we get over here. Now, I'm not finessing this, I'm just bending away. It did a pretty good job. So if you're in a tight spot, this looks like a tool that would pay to have in your toolbox. And I don't think you could beat the price. This is the Harbor Freight bill. It was, I don't know if the camera's picking this up. The list price was $10.99. I had a 25% coupon. I went in for something else. They didn't have it. Got a free flashlight with it. And with tax and all, it came out to $8.91. $8.91 to have the convenience. You might only use it once, but I think it pays to have it. Here's a piece that's not as corroded as the other ones. Let's try it out on this. You got to make it tight. Let's say you got to make it tight. Bend. Okay. And I'm not finessing it. I'm just bending away. Okay, it could be that bend could be a little better. There we go. No kink. It's not smashed anywhere. No kink. It's not smashed anywhere. I think I give this a thumbs up. Now, if you prefer a better quality, well, I'm assuming it's a better quality, I have this one I'll show you now that was on Amazon. And the link for it is down below. If you prefer to go to the Amazon, you could go down below. And if you go to Amazon using my links, I have an affiliate account, which means when you go there and purchase anything through my affiliate link, I do get a small commission on certain items, and it helps support my channel, and it's no additional cost to you. You pay the same whether you go through my link or not. and it's greatly appreciated if you do use the link for that. Well guys, this is just a quick tool review on this Harbor Freight brake line forming tool. I give it a thumbs up. For the price, the quality, I don't think you could go wrong with this one. And it seems like they have plenty of these in stock. So if you found this video helpful or useful, or just enjoyed it, be sure to give it a like. Pass it along to someone else who may be able to use it. And if you haven't done so already, hit that Joe Z button at the end and be sure to subscribe. And hit that notification bell not to miss any of my new video uploads. And until next time, everyone, stay safe and stay well.